Welcome to the Ebunge project case, demonstrating a movable partition wall system in action. In this commercial space, the movable partition wall transforms a large, open area into several smaller functional rooms. Movable partition walls allow flexible space division with smooth overhead track operation. Unlike traditional fixed walls, these systems can quickly and efficiently open or close areas, adapting to different space requirements throughout the day. This project features an overhead aluminum track combined with high-performance acoustic panels. The system does not require a floor rail, which helps keep the flooring continuous, clean, and visually modern. During operation, each panel moves independently and smoothly along the track. Panels can be stacked neatly into a parking area when fully opened, maximizing the available space. Ebunge movable partition walls are widely used in hotels, banquet halls, offices, and conference centers. They are especially suitable for spaces that require both openness and privacy at different times. Each panel is designed with a strong aluminum frame and an acoustic insulation core. This structure ensures stability, durability, and reliable sound reduction for comfortable communication. Throughout this installation, you will see how the panels align, slide, and lock securely into position. Precise connections and professional hardware help maintain long-term performance and smooth daily operation. Custom finishes such as melamine, laminate, fabric, and HPL are available to match various interior design styles. This flexibility allows architects and designers to integrate the partition system seamlessly into the overall space concept. Effective space division in commercial buildings can significantly increase usability and operational value. With this system, one large room can instantly become multiple meeting rooms or event spaces without permanent construction. Movable partition wall systems are ideal for conferences, training sessions, exhibitions, and multifunctional venues. They allow building owners and operators to respond quickly to changing space demands. Ebunge provides complete solutions, including design support, site measurement, manufacturing, transportation, and installation guidance. Our experienced engineering team ensures that each project is tailored to the specific site conditions and usage requirements. With more than 16 years of experience, Ebunge has delivered movable partition wall systems to clients worldwide. We continue to support architects, contractors, and developers with reliable and flexible space solutions. For more information or a customized movable partition wall solution, please contact the Ebunge team at any time.